Meaning of effervescence.
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 Effervescence. Effervescence refers to the process of bubbles forming and fizzing in a liquid, usually caused by a chemical reaction or the release of gas. As the bubbles rise to the surface, they create a frothy texture and tactile sensation that can be both visually and physically stimulating. In beverages such as champagne or soda, effervescence adds a crispness and pleasant mouthfeel. Effervescence can also be used metaphorically to describe a lively or enthusiastic energy in a person or group, creating a sense of excitement and animation.